Good day everyone, I am Sanilin Kapelitan. This is my video representation about how to create Python program. Here the lever number 7. Program that outputs variable using comma and plus, names equal to quotation mark, grace, age equal to 18, course equal to quotation mark, B is IT. Number using comma, so plus, friend, open parenthesis, quotation mark using comma, colon, friend, and open parenthesis, quotation mark, my name is, quotation mark, to name, quotation mark, I am, I am, I am. So if you are using the name, so it equals string. Age, years old, and I study course. Number using plus, friend, open parenthesis, quotation mark, I n using plus, quotation mark, close parenthesis, friend, close parenthesis, and quotation mark, my name is, quotation mark, plus name, plus I am, plus str or stage integers, age, plus years old, and study. So int, it is a 16.9. It is a float integers, and float is 15 to string to float. So and also there's different variables, so you are using plus and comma, and also the